After hunting, the king rests under a large tree. Eventually, sitting beneath it, he dozed off. A crow landed on the branch above him and after a while dropped its droppings on the king's royal tress. The king was in deep sleep and he didn't notice that. The crow flew away soon after. Later, a swan came in and perched on the same branch to rest. As evening approached, when the king finally woke up, he noticed the droppings on his clothes. Looking up and seeing the swan over the branch, he immediately assumed the swan was dropping on his royal clothes. In a flash, he took out an arrow, aimed, and shot the swan. The swan was hit and fell to the ground. Before taking its final breath, the wounded swan looked at the king with painted eyes and spoke softly. What did I do wrong? Why did you strike me with such a harsh arrow? I am just a gentle swan. My only mistake was sitting on a branch where a wicked crow had once been, and for that alone I lost my life. The moral of the story is always avoid bad company. People never look for the truth. They judge you by what you see and who you are with. You may be loyal, kind, and honest, but if you are surrounded by liars, gossipers, or toxic people, you will be mistaken as one of them. So guard your circle because sometimes your downfall won't come from your own choices but from the people around you. Thank you.